Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota Proace. In this video I'll show you comfort features of this car. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the driver's seat. Right here we've got the switch, thanks to which you can enable seat heating. Next, this trim is equipped with speed limiter and cruise control that you can manage via panel behind the steering wheel. You can quickly check car status by pressing check button. And next, if you go to car, you can simply enable start-stop feature, parking sensors, traction control. You can reset tire pressure indicator and perform car diagnostics. In vehicle settings, you can enable guide me home and welcome home lighting. You can enable driver attention warning, and you can block mirror folding in parking mode or enable rear wiper in reverse gear. Also, this car is equipped with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, but only via USB cable. In the end, we've got the voice assistant.
To begin, say a command after the tone.
Thanks to which you can manage radio, navigation, comfort settings, and even in some trims you can manage climate control via voice assistant. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.